Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how to make a fortune from this particular website. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe and smash that like button. Design Contest is a free platform to use for anyone from anywhere. You can find customers here posts a contest for a simple design they need with huge prize for the winner. Simply all what you need to sign up and start browsing contests. Make sure to check guaranteed from the filters section to guarantee your prize after the contest is ended. Browse the kind of contest you would like to participate in and click on it. Make sure to read the client brief carefully before you start the design process. Look after what styles client likes and what colors looking for to have in their design. Now let's jump into Illustrator to begin designing process. Please note that this tutorial I will not explain each tool and the use of it. If you are willing to see tutorials in the future on how to use this software from beginner to mastery level, please let me know in the comments below. To create a new document, we simply go to File, New. We make sure that the size of our document is 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels to be eligible for submitting on Design Contest platform. I have sketched on a blank piece of paper with a pencil the shape of the logo that I want to illustrate and dragged it on the document. By holding Shift key on the keyboard and clicking and dragging inside, I made the sketch smaller to fit in the artboard. I lowered the opacity of the sketched logo to 30% from the bar above to see better while creating the shape. You lock the sketched logo in place by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard and number 2. I started tracing the logo by using the ellipse tool and starting creating perfect circles to match the outline of the sketched logo. We make a copy by pressing Alt or Option key on the keyboard and click drag the circle. We make sure that stroke on any shape we create equals all the other shape strokes created. By pressing Ctrl button on the keyboard and letter Y, we enter the outline view to make sure everything is snapped on edges. To create the lines, we choose the pen tool and start clicking on the shape edges of the sketch. By choosing the direct selection tool, we make sure the anchors are snapped perfectly to the circle outline. We reflect the line we created by right-clicking and choose Reflect from the options. We rotate the line to match with the sketch by hovering close enough to the anchor and holding Shift key on the keyboard to rotate it in 45 degrees. After creating all the lines, we need to choose the Shape Builder tool to start building the final shape. By holding Alt or Option key on the keyboard and click Drag, we start excluding the unwanted areas. To combine the intersected areas, we simply click and drag. To unlock the sketched image, press Ctrl and Alt or Option key on the keyboard with number 2 and press Delete key to remove it. Choose the Text tool to add the text and choose any font you like to use and enter the name of the company. Swap the color of the stroke to make it fill by clicking on the double-headed arrow next to the fill and stroke colors. Select the text and right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. Ungroup the text to replace the E letter with the one we created. Align everything to the center of the artboard. Choose the eyedropper tool from the Tools menu to recolor the artwork with the colors given by the client. By selecting the words of the logo and nudging with left and right arrow keys to make the logo more tight. Select everything and press Ctrl with G letter on your keyboard to group everything. Make a copy of the logo and give another color option. Select the options and group them together and align everything to the center. Now to save the artwork, go to File, Export, Save for Web. Save the artwork as PNG for best results. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep an eye for new methods on this channel on how to make money online.